Hey guys, my name's Aaron Massey, and today I'm going to show you how I built this DIY industrial black pipe bookshelf. That's a mouthful. To get started, let's take a look at some of the pieces we're going to need to tackle this build. I'm using 3/4 inch black pipe pieces, which I picked up from Home Depot, and all this stuff cost about 75 bucks. For our shelves, I found a piece of laminated pine at a local lumber store, which I really like the look of, for about 20 bucks. Here's how each leg goes together. Once it's fully assembled, the overall height of the bookshelf will be about 36 inches tall. So the first thing I did was rip my piece of wood to the width that I wanted. Then I cross-cut the lengths of the shelf. The overall dimensions of each shelf are 12 inches deep by 24 inches wide. Next, I'm clamping the 3 shelves together so that I can measure and mark where I'm going to be drilling the holes for each piece of pipe to pass through. I want the holes exactly lined up so that when I go to put the thing together later, it doesn't move on me and the shelves don't match up exactly and the thing come out of whack. The overall diameter of the pipe is about 1 1/16 inches, and I chose to drill the holes with an 1 1/8 Forstner bit. If I were to do this again, I think I would use the 1-inch Forstner bit and then remount the hole a little bit with some sandpaper so that the pipe was really tight. And the tighter the holes around the pipe, the more rigid the shelf is going to be. This one is pretty rigid, but if I were to really make them tight, then this thing would be rock solid. After mocking everything up, I disassembled everything and then worked on finishing the shelves. I sanded down each shelf to 220 grit and rounded over each shelf before applying a dark walnut stain. After the stain dried, I hit each shelf with a couple coats of matte polyurethane. The 12-inch pieces of black pipe that I've got had a protective coating on them, and I tried to sand it off using some sandpaper and some acetone, but when I did that, it kind of created an uneven look across all the pipes. So what I've decided to do is clean off all the pipes with some acetone, and then I'm just going to spray paint everything flat black. With the pipes painted black, I decided to go back in and seal everything with a spray polyurethane. Lastly, all that's left to do is reassemble everything, get the shelves nice and level, and then this thing is finished. So here's the finished product. I'm excited for you guys to check it out. Well, that's it for this episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button and leave a comment down below and let me know. Also, if you decide to build your own version of this, I'd love to see it, so please share it with me on my social media via the links in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Hey guys, my name's Aaron Massey. Today's project is a viewer suggestion, and it's how to build a DIY industrial pipe shelf like the one you see behind me.